Why should you bother creating a subscribe link when YouTube has already done that for you with this beautiful button? Now, making things easy on your channel for your viewers is definitely the best way to grow your channel. Making it easy for your viewers to subscribe to your channel is also one of the best ways to grow your subscriber count. That's why you will need your channel subscription link to encourage more people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. It's really easy to make your channel unique subscription link. Now, if your channel already has a custom link to your channel homepage, all you have to do to create a subscription link is by adding this code at the end of your customized link. The same thing applies to channels without a customized link. Just head over to your channel homepage, copy the link address, and again add this code at the end. You can test if the link is working by copying the entire new link that contains your channel homepage link and the short code. Log out of your channel account or use incognito on your Chrome browser and paste in the entire link and then hit the enter button. You will get a pop-up similar to this. Now, that's not all. As you can see, the link is really long and ugly to start using to paste on different platforms. So you can use any link shortener to make the link shorter. Now, how can you use your created link to start growing your subscriber count? How about going to your channel analytics and then down to the traffic source and look at the different areas your channel is already getting views from. If you are getting views from the YouTube search result or suggested videos, which is where most YouTubers are getting their views, you can paste in the subscription link in your video description box. The easiest way to do that is by saving it under your upload default page so that you don't have to always add it every time you upload a new video. If your video traffic is coming from external pages like your channel website or blog, if you have one, people can actually subscribe on your website platform without leaving. For those Tube Mechanics subscribers who have already downloaded the free guide on different ways to get views to your videos, you can also link from the different platforms shown in the free guide using the subscription link you just created. I'll also be dropping the link to this guide in the description box below this video. Now you can go ahead and look at the different traffic sources on your channel analytics and be creative without spamming the web. You can also post the link in your emails if you use your emails a lot to respond to people in your niche. Now you have to understand that it's putting little efforts like this that will help grow your channel fast. And with all that, I will wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated for more tips like these that will help you grow your channel. Yeah.